Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you guys having a Porsche Cayenne first generation 2002 to 2010. If you want to see how to remove, how to replace your front bumper, guys, bumper cover, stay with us, we'll cover that today. We removed ours, but now we're going to put it together and explain where all the bolts, hidden things are, so you know what to expect, how to do that. So practically we'll be doing it in reverse order, so if you're installing it and later you wonder, okay, where do I need to put a bolt, screw, clip, anything like that, that will be quite helpful, guys. So let's explain what we have here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start on it now. So guys, this is the bumper now. Okay, we have a video how to replace the radiator support. If you need help with that as well, it's on the channel, guys. Because we actually had two Cayennes that we swapped the front ends. This is our Cayenne, but we got in an accident, so we got another one as a parts car that we're installing now. So now, guys, okay, here what we're going to do, guys. We have aftermarket wires that you don't have, so you don't need to worry about that. But we have the cornering lights because we installed the HID headlights, and our cornering lights now are hooked up to the fog lights. Okay, so we have extra light if we need in the fog. Okay, and now I'm going to do the other thing, the same thing on the other side, just to connect the wire, and we will explain about that in a second, so you can see everything with a great detail, guys. So okay, perfect. Now there is one big wire connector. Okay, I'm going to show you in a second, okay, where it's located, so you know what to expect now. Okay, unfortunately our light battery died, but let me show you now. Right here, okay, this is the connector that connects to the bumper. You see the aftermarket wire we talked about. We actually installed LED light bulbs in the fog lights, and from there we routed a wire to the cornering lights for the headlight, and both of the bulbs will have, okay, the same power consumption. Okay, here, okay, we can go ahead now. Okay, later that clip is going to attach the wire right here. Let me change the battery for the light and we'll continue. Now guys, okay, don't forget to do, later we're going to come here closer and we're going to do our lights. Okay, but those are LED lights, so aftermarket ones, so this one will not fit, so we'll need to replace the bulb with a regular bulb, okay, because those are too thick. So make sure you get one-to-one exact replacement. If you're doing now, we'll replace them and we'll continue. So okay guys, we replace them with regular bulbs, we'll get one-to-one replacement LED bulbs after that. So yeah, it's in. Now we're going to go ahead, okay, the bumper slides right here on this side, so you kind of like push it towards the back, you see. Now we'll do exact same thing on this side. If you have the headlight washers, make sure you connect them. Our bumper has them installed, we don't have them on the vehicle. Okay, so let's go out. Okay, go in the canal. Okay, align everything, and we need to push on this side. Okay, let's see here. Okay, if something is in the way. Okay, oh, here I didn't do it on the back, so we need to do the front and the back at the same time. Okay, let me set the camera for a second here. Okay, let me see if maybe I'll pass it this way. 1 second. I need to grab it with two hands. Okay, because it's quite of a tight fit, guys. Here we need to polish it because it was scraped a little bit, but that just paint trends over, so it's good. Okay, all that paint transfer will come out. Okay, when we polish it, then it's situated now. So when you start removing your bumper, you don't have to, but it's recommended to remove the headlights. You open the caps here. When you open the caps, okay, it's pretty simple. You turn that metal thing. You have a special tool in the spare tire compartment in the trunk. Turn it. Okay, you need to turn it to where it's to the bottom like that. Okay, like that. Otherwise, if it's like this one, I believe, okay, it will lock your headlight. Now, another thing, when you remove them, you may not be, you may protect your bumper and not scratch it that way, so it may be better. Now, guys, we're going to start here. Here you're going to have one bolt holding the bumper under the fender liner. So the fender liner, you need to remove the one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 bolts. And right here on the top, you have one bolt. Okay, right there on top, holding the bumper to the fender. Then you can install your fender liner bolts right there. The same thing will be on the other side. Exact same thing on this side. Okay, you will need to do. And on top, we'll have more screws here holding it in place. 1, 2, 3, 4 that we need to install. So that's what we'll be doing now. So we started installing the bolts. You have clips right here that we removed that we're going to install later. Okay, you see, it just holds it there. Okay, in place. One more on this side. Okay, perfect. The other one we need to push it more in. I just need to get a screwdriver, Torx 30, start looking bit. Installing the bumper now, guys. By the way, installed new handle. We got it at unbelievable price. Let's push this one. Can I get the tool just to push it down? Because I cannot push it with... Okay, perfect. With my hand to lock in place. Now here, okay, let me install that one. I showed you where it is located. We're going to install that one now. It's... Okay, some of you, okay, may have removed the second one. Sometimes you may need to remove, okay, let me show you. Here you have one facing, okay, the mount and one on top. So, check both, guys, okay. If you have them, usually you need to remove the one on top, but on some models, depending on the year, you may have a second one right here that you need to do. On the bottom you have special bolts. You can see they have kind of like special bushings. So we're going to position those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe, bolts. Again, with the Torx, guys. Okay. We need to get the Torx 30 because... 1 second. Okay, let me switch it because some for the fender liner, I think some were 25, some 30. They were... actually, guys, mixed because the car's been taken apart so many times. If you have one, you know what I mean. You always work on them. Okay, perfect. And the bottom is installed as well. Now here we have screws that we need to attach. That's for the plastic pieces right here. Okay, and that will need to be done. I believe one screw with okay, like these ones, I think, like these ones right here, that will do it too. You see, that's what they look like. Let's put this one and we'll be ready, guys. I think that's a Torx 25, one towards the bottom. Okay, yeah, it started, but the impact is giving up on us. We might need to invest in a new one. Okay, we'll get the ratchet right here if we have to. Okay, and do it that way. Okay, let's see, because okay, perfect. Just like this one, you will have one more like that on the other side. Now, guys, okay, after we install that one, all we have to do is install your screws for the fender liner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, and the same thing to the other side, and you're ready to push your headlights, lock them in place. Okay, and you're guys ready to continue. It's not complicated at all, taking the bumper out of that Porsche and installing it as well. but mechanically, guys, okay, he will be a headache working on that vehicle. By the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. We have a lot of Cayenne videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, anything from engines, transmission flushing, or engine mounts, alternators that cost you thousands of dollars to replace, and it can be done at home for just a few hours. Check out the videos, they will be on our channel, guys. Please, guys, subscribe. Our mission is to grow the channel. Help us, please do that. That way we can help more people save money. That's our mission. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.